If you manage a small remote team and want to keep employee engagement and performance high, Peoplebox is the perfect tool for you. It helps you run anonymous engagement surveys, gather honest team feedback, and identify challenges so you can improve your company culture and productivity. Peoplebox offers a clear dashboard with important metrics like Employee Net Promoter Scores, ENPS, and manager ratings, making it easy to see where your team stands. It also supports productive one-on-one meetings by syncing with Google or Outlook calendars and integrating with Slack for reminders. You can track objectives and key results, OKRs, to keep your team focused on goals and measure progress visually. Peoplebox makes remote management simpler by combining surveys, messaging, analytics, and goal tracking all in one platform. This deal gives you 1 year of access for just $99, covering up to 5 employees, including all updates during that year, plus a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you want to keep your remote team motivated and productive, grab Peoplebox now. Purchase link is in the description below.